So in this video we will discuss how to change the unit, okay, unit of the part. Okay, suppose uh, uh, so here, okay, so here this part, okay, I want to see in which unit this part is. Okay, actually I have imported this part, okay, and here you can see in the you need to go to file, prepare and model tree. Okay, so here you can see the unit of this part is in millimeter kilogram second. Okay, but generally I will work in the millimeter Newton second. Okay, so on that unit I want actually. Okay, so suppose here in your model actually it is centimeter or different. Okay, so at that time how we can change it to the required unit. Okay, so here, okay, so this one is in kilogram second, so here I need to change the unit. So here you can change it. Okay, so here are the different units you can see. Okay, I want in this unit. Okay, so here you can see, okay, millimeter Newton second, mmns. So you need to set here, click on set. Okay, set and convert. So convert the dimension for, like here you can take the example for example 1 inch become the 24.4 inch. Okay, or interpret dimension for 1 inch is equal to 1 mm. So on the basis, suppose you want to directly convert. Okay, so you want to directly convert, so at that time you need to use this option. Okay, but you want to keep the same dimension. Okay, or just you want to reflect the units, converting the units only, but you don't want to change the overall size. So at that time you need to use this option, interpret dimension. So here why we are choosing it is 1 inch is equal to 1 mm. But if you want to convert, okay, directly, suppose 1 mm dimension directly, suppose you want to convert into 25.4 mm. So at that time, so you need to convert the part. Okay, so here I don't want to convert any size. Okay, convert any dimension. So at that time I will use 1 inch become 1 mm. Okay, okay, I'll show you the another example also, like okay, so first we will measure. So here you can see millimeter Newton second, mm. Okay, so now we will suppose I'll measure first here so that you can easily understood. So this one dimension you can see, so the diameter here you can see 47. Okay, so I'll save this analysis. Okay, so you can see the diameter is 14.7. okay, so material is 14.7 dimension is there. So now I will convert this one. Okay, so for understanding purpose we are converting only. So here millimeter Newton second, suppose I want in inches. Okay, okay, I want in inches. So here you can see, so in inches I want here, so inch IBM second. So I want to set this dimension. Okay, and I directly here I want to convert this one. Okay, so I want to convert the mm into inches. Okay, like so inch I am selecting here and say set. Okay, and directly here suppose I want to convert it. Okay, so here I am using converting. Okay, like a 1 inch it is equal to 25.4 mm I am converting. Okay, so like here you can see, and the size of the part you can see it is reduces because of the conversion. So it is directly converted. Okay, so now the diameter is in inches, you can see in. Okay, so it is in inches, 1.8 inch. Okay, so likewise you can directly convert the part. Okay, and suppose you want to in Newton meter, so directly you can come here and set the part and directly you can see convert. Okay, so now 1.8 will be converted into mm. So okay, again we are doing the same thing. Again, suppose yeah, Newton second and set. So now we are converting inches into mm. So here convert, and you can see 40.7. So likewise we can convert the units. Okay, so friend, so we have understood that how to convert the means units for the part. Okay, I hope you understood the concept. So if you like this video, you can like, share and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.